Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the building permit of modular roof in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event called Modular Street Festival, and at this event you can get the battle pass where you can unlock lots of cool rewards. One of them is building permit of modular roof like this. And to unlock these rewards you need a reach level battle pass level 10 like this. And how do you level it up? To level it up, you need to collect festival points like this. That you can get this point from the town festival catalog like this, or you can also get it from the festival limited collections rewards on here like this, or you can also get it from the daily quest. So make sure to keep doing the event tasks and claim all the points until you can reach level 10. Level 10 like this. And after you reach level 10, this building permit of modular roof will be unlocked and it will add it to your build mode, and you can use this modular roof to build your new home. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.